So, been a while. Once again, we're going out for not the whole day, but a small portion of the day. We are going to the seaside because it is nice and nowhere is actually open, so it's going to be quiet, hopefully, maybe. So it's also hot, so it probably also won't be quiet. These two are asleep, which I wanted to wait until they were, because why not? Any words, Mummy?
No, apart from you can't.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Right, so we have arrived at our destination. It's very difficult to see because of the sun, so apologies if there's anything wrong. Mr. Man with his ginger biscuit covered face, look at him. Granddad, and where are they? They are over there. Nanny and Belle Rose. And give you guesses. I'll let you try and guess where we are. I'm not going to zoom in on anything. I mean, it's going to be kind of difficult because I'm going to name the title where we are, so it's not really going to work. But oh well. Hang on, where is it? There it is. Big old boat with a green boat in the way. That's just rude. Right, let's wait for him to move out the way. Right, green boat's moved out the way now. So, yeah, this is where we are. Very nice weather. So, huh? Okay. Yeah, very nice weather. Very good surroundings. Very peaceful. Being Sunday as well, being Easter Sunday, everything's pretty much shut, so it's very quiet. And we'll see what we get up to today, shall we? 360 no scope. Ooh, wah.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go. To see the truth